We're still going to use the same concentration of house wash mix that we're doing on everything else, but there's a slight possibility we may have to treat that twice to get the desired result.
Sure.
But either way, we should get it all to balance out.
Okay. Before you go any further, Tyler, I just want to point out, this really is a bit of an unusual house. I mean, like, we've got gardens everywhere as you go around this house. So we've got to be super concerned about this.
Sure.
This needs a lot of attention.
And concerned I am, Mike.
Yeah.
It's going to take every bit of prep work, and your thought process needs to be dialed in on this one, because as you can tell, this isn't just decoration for them. I mean, this is a big part of their home and what makes them comfortable. So keeping an eye on the plants, keeping everything rinsed down. We need it to look better when we leave.
Yeah.
You know, not just the house. We need the plants to all still be intact and unburned.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I think you just hit on something really important there, because to us as a contractor, we see these plants as just something that comes from a nursery and we have a value on it. What we don't understand is that sometimes these plants have a lot of sentimental value to them. And it may have been something they got from a grandchild or from a daughter, or they planted it when someone was born. I mean, plants can take on a whole nother meaning of sentimental value. And if you're cleaning those and you kill it and you have to replace it, that's what you're affecting with the homeowner. This is their personal property, and they have personal feelings and emotions tied to this. And it's easy to be separated from that as a contractor. So if you start thinking like that and start realizing how important things around a house can be, and not just plants, but anything that's ornamental or anything that they've added, you got to keep that